Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? So today I want to talk to y'all about the Butterball electric turkey fryer. This thing is pretty awesome. There's nothing better than a fried turkey. I know it may be a little bit unconventional, but you know, I've done it every Thanksgiving for the past maybe like 5 or 6 years. Done fried turkeys, and they just, I don't know, they're just so much. You know, turkey can typically be very, very dry. This just makes them really, really juicy. Really has such a nice texture. Keeps in all the flavor really well. And yeah, and this Butterball electric turkey fryer, this thing just makes them taste so good. It's just really, really off the chain. So I really dig this thing, and I wanted to kind of talk about what I love so much about it. So as you can see, the whole thing is made out of a pretty serious stainless steel. It looks pretty slick. It stays fairly clean. I mean, one thing is you are dealing with like oils and things here, so you know, as you can see, it's a bit dirty. But the reason we actually made some wings of this last night. But so as you can see, it does get a little dirty with the oil. That's one thing you do have to keep watch for. So other than that, you know, yeah, it's going to stay pretty clean. You're not going to get like fingerprints or anything on it because it's made of that stainless steel. So definitely the oil, you got to make sure that you clean that off. I'll take it's a little greasy. We use this, you know, obviously more so for a turkey on Thanksgiving. Although, like I said, you can use it for wings. You can use it for pretty much an array of things. You can boil things in it. You can make veggies in it. It's pretty large on the inside, as you can see right here. So you can do quite a bit in this thing besides turkey. So it's not, you know, it's definitely not like a one-trick pony by any means. Certainly more things that you can do. Yeah, oh, I guess might as well while I'm on the inside. You have a little aluminum basket that's in here. You can throw this in the dishwasher as well, which is really cool. Essentially just makes it a little bit easier to clean. And then as you can see, there are the drain clips that are right there on the inside. Just keep it clipped in there. Keep it nice and secure. When you're done frying, the thing I love about this the most is it's right that you have the drain valve that's on the back, and this is solid. Basically, when you're, you know, all done, you know, frying or whatever, you can easily, pretty much, you know, without a fuss, kind of just drain this thing, get it all, everything drained out, which is really nice. All the oils and everything that you're using, you can drain them, and you don't have to like dump it or, you know, put it to the side or anything. So you just basically take like a plastic bottle, put it in the back, and let the oils drain into that. Cool little feature. And you don't have to use that much oil with this thing, which is pretty nice. You know, I really thought you would have to fill this thing up and then totally fry it, but you don't. I've put in just pretty much like small amounts of oil for turkeys, and it's always been pretty great. So if you're someone who doesn't like using too much oil, which is, you know, totally fair because it can be, you know, fattening, and then you'll be happy to know that you don't actually have to use a ton to actually do this. We fried some pretty massive turkeys in here too. I think it takes turkeys up to about 20 pounds. So, you know, that's pretty solid. Overall, I think it took maybe about like a couple hours maybe to really fry it up. If you're working on like, especially if you're working on a low setting, I mean, I'm sure you could fry it real fast within like an hour or so if you wanted to. Then you're frying it at a really kind of high setting. See here, you have your settings. So very easy, very simple to adjust. Honestly, that's the only thing you have right there. Keep going. So it's very simple overall. I've only used this thing outside. I usually just put it in the garage and fry the turkey, and that's just to kind of keep things safe. You know, it's where you're working with a lot of hot oils. So, but you can totally use this thing inside. There's no reason you can't. It does steam. It does have steam that comes out of it, so you will probably want to have it in an area that's well ventilated. But you know, other than that, you know, it's very safe. There's no flames or anything, or you know, you don't really have to worry about, I don't know, kids or anything getting into it if you're doing it for Thanksgiving dinner. We always do with a bunch of people, a bunch of family at the house. So yeah, check this thing out if you're looking to fry a turkey or, you know, I don't know, fry whatever you want. Wings, I said, are a really great thing to do in here. Yeah, it's a really awesome, actually pretty large device. This is the electric turkey fryer from Butterball. Alrighty guys, take it easy.